In today's video, we're exploring the best camera apps for Android that can help you take stunning photos with ease. Let's dive in and find the perfect app to capture those memorable moments. Camera HD Edition. Camera HD Edition is a powerful camera app designed to enhance the photography experience on Android devices. This app offers a user-friendly interface with advanced features aimed at both amateur and professional photographers. It provides high-resolution image capture, and users can add just various settings such as exposure, white balance, and ISO to achieve the perfect shot. The app also includes features like a timer, burst mode, and face detection, making it versatile for different shooting scenarios. Additionally, Camera HD Edition supports various image formats, and the ease of use ensures that anyone can take stunning photos. Google HD Camera. Google HD Camera is an application that leverages the power of Google's camera technology to deliver high-quality photography. This app focuses on simplicity and effectiveness, allowing users to capture images and videos with minimal effort. With features like HDR+, night sight, and portrait mode, Google HD Camera enhances the quality of photos in various lighting conditions. Its seamless integration with Google Photos ensures easy storage and organization of your images. The app's straightforward design makes it accessible for all users, whether you're a casual photographer or someone looking to experiment with advanced camera settings. ProCCD Digital Film Camera. ProCCD Digital Film Camera is a unique camera app that emulates the experience of using a classic film camera while providing modern digital functionality. This app is designed for photography enthusiasts who appreciate the aesthetics and characteristics of film photography. ProCCD allows users to control exposure, focus, and depth of field, giving them a film-like shooting experience. Features include customizable filters, grain effects, and various lens options that replicate classic film styles. With its creative tools, ProCCD encourages users to explore their artistic side while capturing stunning images with a vintage feel. Thank you for watching. We hope you found these camera app recommendations helpful for elevating your photography game. See you next time on our channel.